Alright class, look at example 4.5b. Example 4.5b. Okay, so we have a question. Okay, y double prime plus y equals to 1 plus x squared. Okay, so solve this one. As usual, general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. Okay, so first we need to find yc. Okay, we know that 1 plus x squared, it is yp. So we need to find yc first. Okay, yc. So y double prime plus y, it is equal 0. Okay, and then you need to transform into auxiliary equation. Okay, auxiliary equation. Ni nampak tak? Okay, so y double prime, that means m square, plus y is 1. Okay, bukan m Okay, it is not m. M is what? When we have y double prime plus y prime plus y. So y double prime, it is m square. Y prime is m. Y is 1. Okay, so for this one, y is 1, bukan m. Okay, okay, take note ni jangan tersilap. Okay, and then what? It is equal 0. So we need to solve for m. Okay, solve for m. So m square, it is equal 1. Move to the right, it will become negative 1. So m, it is equal plus minus square root negative 1. Right? Okay. This one, okay, power 2, move to the right, it will become square root. Okay. So we know that square root negative 1, it is equal I. So in this case, it is in case 3. Okay, conjugate complex roots. Remember, conjugate complex root, it is in case 3. Okay, so thus, okay, kalau in case 3, okay, in case 3, the general form for case 3, it is alpha plus beta I. Okay, for this one, okay, for this one, alpha ada tak alpha? Tak ada kan alpha. Okay, sorry, this one is alpha plus minus beta I. Okay, so alpha tak ada. Thus, alpha, it is equal 0. What about beta? Beta, it is value dia 1. Okay, for example, when we have negative 3 plus minus square root 2i. So we know that alpha is negative 3, beta is square root 2. Okay, so this one alpha tak ada, we assume 0. Okay, alpha is 0, beta is, okay, value dia 1 kat sini actually. So beta is 1. Okay, dah faham nah? And then what? Okay, substitute into equation for yc. Okay, for yc, we know that it is exponent alpha x times with c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, and then we know that alpha is 0, so exponent 0x. C1 cos beta is 1, so 1 times x, it is x, plus C2 sin x also. Okay, beta is 1, substitute 1 times x, we get x. Okay, so we know that, okay, exponent 0. Okay, 0 times x, we get 0. So exponent 0, awak calculate, you will get 1. Okay, exponent with power 0, you will get 1. So 1 times C1 cos x. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. This is the answer. Okay, difaham nah? Okay, 1 times C1 cos x, C1 cos x. 1 times C2 sin x, C2 sin x. So this is the answer for YC. Okay, so YC is C1 cos X plus C2 sin X. Okay, and then we need to find YP. Okay, to find YP, we need to guess what? The YP. Okay, as you can see, refer pada function fx here. Okay, on the right side. Okay, this one it is in quadratic form, right? Because we have x square here in quadratic form. So YP it is equal ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and then we need to find the value for a, b and c. Okay, so you need to differentiate first. Differentiate ax square, you get 2ax. Differentiate bx, you get b. Differentiate c, you get 0. And then second differentiate 2ax, you get 2a. Differentiate b, you get 0. Then substitute into this equation. Okay, into this equation, substitute. Okay. Substitute for y double prime, 2a. Okay, y double prime plus y. So 2a plus y. Y is this one. Okay, ignore the y prime. Okay, ignore the y prime because we doesn't have y prime here. So ignore the y prime. We only take the y double prime and y. Okay, so y double prime it is 2a plus with y. Y is ax square plus bx plus c. It is equal this one, 1 plus x square. Okay, you nampak nah? Dia faham nah? And then we need to do comparison. Compare. Sorry nah. Kalau dengar benda-benda bising, sorry. Okay, and then compare. This is the variable for x square. This one variable for x square. Then we know that a equals to 1, right? And then variable x. This one also variable x. Okay, ada tak variable x lagi kat sini? Tak ada kan? So b equals to 1. Compare kan dia. Okay, b equals to 1. Okay, kita assume ada value 1 kat sini actually. Okay, memang ada value 1 kat sini. Okay, and then 2a plus c, it is constant number. Okay, equal to constant number which is 1. Okay, compare dengan left hand side dengan right hand side. Okay, so we know that a equals to 1. Okay, a equals to 1, substitute into this one. Okay, 2 times 1 we get 2. So move to the right, it will become 1 minus 2. So the answer for value C is negative 1. Okay, and then substitute into this YP. We know that A is 1. So 1, it means it is x squared. B also 1, it means it is x. C is negative 1. Right? C is negative 1. So minus 1. So we have done to find the value for YP. So YP, it is equal x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, and then you can substitute into general solution. Okay, general solution. Y equals to YC. What is YC? This one. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Okay, plus YP. YP is, we need to plus x square plus x minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, ni faham tak? Faham, kita tanya nak WhatsApp, okay?